Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use iMessage on Mac Mini, pro tips step by step clearly. To begin using iMessage on your Mac Mini, ensure that your Mac is updated to the latest macOS version. Open the Messages app, which you can find in the Applications folder or through Spotlight search. If this is your first time opening the app, you will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password, then click Sign In. Once signed in, you can choose to sync your messages with your other Apple devices. To do this, go to Messages in the menu bar and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the iMessage tab. Here, you can check options to enable syncing with your phone number and email addresses. You may also want to enable text message forwarding if you want to receive SMS texts on your Mac. To start a new conversation, click on the Compose button in the top right corner of the Messages app. Type the recipient's phone number or email address in the To a field. You can also select a contact from your address book by clicking the plus icon. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the window. To send a photo or file, click the File attachment icon and select your file. For stickers or emojis, click on the smiley face icon in the text box. To view your message history, simply scroll through the conversation on the left side of the window. To manage notifications, go to System Preferences, then select Notifications. Locate messages in the left sidebar and customize how you want to be alerted about new messages. If you need to search for a specific conversation, use the search bar at the top of the Messages app. For extra privacy, you can customize your read receipts in the Preferences under the iMessage tab. Finally, remember to log out of iMessage if you're using a shared Mac, by going back to Preferences and selecting Sign Out. Now you're ready to enjoy using iMessage on your Mac Mini like a pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.